I am LGR, otherwise Luis Geronimo Rodriguez, and we're making homemade Shamrock shake. We're gonna need banana, we're gonna need milk, we're gonna need extract, we're gonna need ice cubes, and for the color, we'll need spinach. Safety first. Always make sure to wash your hands before cooking. I feel like that's obvious, but just in case anyone in case anybody forgets. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we got the banana right here, and we're gonna use some ice cubes. Drop them in there so that it will be very cold. I have here some spinach, so that I can get its color. Green is my favorite color, by the way. And oops, we have extract. We have the milk. And this is gonna be very loud, so I'm gonna turn this thing on. And 3, 2, 1. It's ready now. Now let's give this bad boy a try. It actually tastes pretty good. I recommend you try this recipe at home. And if you have any better recipes, just comment down below and I'll catch you guys later.